I start these things and then I don't really have a battle plan, but something I promised myself I'll do as a New Year's resolution thing is to develop finesse. And, like this YouTube algorithm. So it keeps bringing up these videos like about schizophrenia. And I do take that sort of medicine and stuff, and I can talk to people and I'll listen to them and I'll hear something completely different, and it's not like a self thing, and it's relating to something like something else, that turns out to be true. But or synchronicity and stuff like that. I see here, like for instance, it will show you like a video where they accuse Elon Musk of being on drugs or something, and there will be on the thumbnail like a photo, and then it will put another video just below that with the original photo, So they say he has a crazy amount of screen time, and I think I might be the same. I don't have any TV or whatever. So I watched this thing about Sarajevo and that war that was there. So rich people would go and pay, I think it's the Bosnians, to go to the war and like shoot people for $90,000, and children would be more, and that's completely psychopathic. And any case, I'm not important, like so these people, like people that hunt, I think if they like have no respect for life, and that's why it's important, like why it's like something of God, like you get in nature like predators and like lions eat other things, So I'm a vegetarian, but I think it's like a bit of a gray area. But if you have no respect for life, like they, and it's not like I am the Antichrist or whatever, I watch this thing on Fox News where this people like went into this church, and the pastor is like an ICE agent, and he told them like the only way forward is in Jesus Christ, and I don't believe that to be true. So because if you take like in the 1900s, how many wars there were, like that's all Christian nations, like they apply this thing in society, like it's basically like all religions, like Islamic State, you control the population by religion, and it's the same thing, like you control large populations, but a government where everybody is Christian has got no problem killing a lot of other people, and then it's okay. So they don't apply any of that stuff, like they don't forgive, they don't anything. So watch the stuff in Ukraine, like Ukrainian people that goes to the battlefields and pick up dead bodies. So they take a DNA swab you know, of when you join the army. And then they collect the bones and stuff and bodies and do DNA samples and then let the families know. And, you know, and prisoners of war that are watching, stuff like that. You can ask any of that people, like, what they think, you know, of governments and all that. I mean, that guy that collects the bodies is completely, like, in psychosis. He was damaged beyond repair. So, also watch, like, in Ukraine, and that can be false, like, because it's like 4 hours of the same thing, the same white van, you know, like abducting people as conscriptions, you know. And it's just pointless. Like, you can all, any of that people has got no clue, you know. And this drone thing, what's the use? Why don't they just build robot, like that Robot Wars, you know, like you build a robot and you build a robot, and the two countries, unmanned robots, fight against each other, and that's it. But you can't claim territory without people, you know. But you can kill people without people, except for the guy, like, controlling the drone. And that most likely started, like, with the English longbow. And it didn't matter, like, all the training, armor. It's got nothing to do with mano, you know. So, and that evolved into a lot of stuff. But yeah.